My name is Jeda Lois R. Ramirez from 11 ABM Gates. The title of the movie is Unfriended Dark Web. The director of the movie is Stephen Soska. The characters of the movie is Matthias O'Brien, Amaya De Soto, Damon, Lex, AJ, Serena, Nari, and Sharon. The synopsis of Unfriended Dark Web follows Matthias, who discovers a laptop with access to the dark web. As he and his friends explore its contents, they unwittingly become entangled in a web of dark secrets and sinister forces that threaten their lives. The ICT trends of Unfriended Dark Web explore the darker side of the technology and the internet, touching on several trends in information and communication technology ICT. One prominent trend is the use of the dark web for illicit activities such as cybercrime, illegal markets, and online anonymity. The film showcases how easily individuals can access and exploit the dark web for their own agendas, highlighting the potential dangers of unregulated online spaces. The internet threats of Unfriended Dark Web. The film depicts various internet threats, including cyberbullying, hacking, online privacy invasion, and digital manipulation. One of the central themes revolves around the consequences of meddling in the dark web, where characters are targeted by a mysterious entity that threatens their safety and privacy. The lesson learned of the movie is be cautious when delving into unfamiliar online spaces, especially the dark web, as it can expose you to dangerous individuals and activities. The internet can be a powerful tool for both good and evil, highlighting the importance of responsible and ethical use of technology.